Okay, we're now returning to the administrator, and we are back at the main page, which you can return to by going from Site to Control Panel. Very quickly we'll run through these menus at the top here. This is the where you access the main menu, the menu that is at the top of the page, and when you click on this you get a list of the menu items. The footer menu we'll be adding more to later on. Content we've already talked about, the article manager. These things you can leave for the moment, and one thing about this article manager I think is important just to mention: if you want an item to appear on the news log, then it is set at the top here. It says front page, should be set to yes before you save. And we're not going to change anything here, so we'll just click on close, but normally we'd always click save after opening an editor. Now the other way that you can have something appear on the news log is that you can see here these ticks under the front page heading means they will appear in the news log. If you click on one of these, it will turn to a red circle, and that means it won't appear anymore. So that's the one way you can add and remove things. They remain published, and if you want something to be a specific page, you'll create a link to it in the menu, main menu, which we'll cover in another video. What's more important right now is that we go to components, and this is where the yacht list is actually being controlled in this item called Virtuemart here. The quickest way for you to access the list of yachts is this button, which will take us to a list of all of the yachts which are currently listed on the website, and you'll see them all here. And you can actually, when we have more categories installed, then here we have obviously one that's a 50-meter plus category. This is the original yacht review listing, which has got only about 12 items in it. We can go to this one now. This is the one that's live on the site for the time being. We're going to go to this yacht review. So if we do this, it will now select just the category yacht review, and you'll see here there's just 12 items. And what we want to do is firstly, if you want to add a new yacht into a particular category, then you will click on the new button, and it will open up an editor where you can enter in all the key details of the new yacht. Okay, so when you click new, this is where you get a blank form to be able to enter in all the yacht details. SKU is just literally just a unique code for each yacht. It doesn't have to be anything particular. You can make it up as you go along. And some of these items obviously we don't fill in. This short description is what you will see when you go into the yacht review, and you'll see here where it's in black. This is what if you enter into this box, this will appear in that place there. And then also when you go into the yacht details, and details which are here, those details will be entered into this area at the bottom. So this is your short description, and this is your more detailed description. You also need to choose where you want the yacht to appear, in which category, and obviously we'll have 50 meters and below, etc., as we go along. You'll note that this editor has got exactly the same buttons as we discussed in the article manager, so you should be very familiar with that. The other area that you need to look at initially is to upload, and you can again use this to upload from your computer, and it will automatically create the thumbnail as well for your initial images. This image, you will see this is the thumbnail, and then when you click on the thumbnail, you will actually, so when you click on the image, you then get your larger size, and you can then scroll through additional images, and I'll show you how to do digital images in the next video.